What if every project inquiry on your WordPress website could automatically become a contact, a project, and even follow-up tasks inside your CRM, without copying anything manually? In this video, I'll show you how to connect a WordPress form to Flowlu CRM using Bitforms and Bitflows, completely no code and beginner-friendly. By the end, your form submissions will turn into new contacts in your CRM automatically. Before we start, here's what you need: a WordPress website, free Bitforms plugin to create the form, Bitflows Pro to handle automation, and a Flowlu CRM account. Let's start by creating our form. Inside Bitforms, click on Add New Form, and now we'll easily drag in a few essential fields: full name, email address, phone number, and most importantly, a text area field for project details. This project details field is critical because whatever the user writes here will later become the project description inside Flowlu. Once your form is ready, click Save and Publish. You can embed this form on any page using shortcode provided on form creation. Create a new page called Contact Page and put this shortcode there. Our automation setup is next. Creating the automation trigger. Now we move into Bitflows. This is our automation engine. Click Create New Flow. Choose Bitform as the application from the trigger box. And select the form we just created. This tells WordPress, every time someone submits this form, start the automation. Click on Listen to be able to capture a test form submission and verify that this trigger is working. Once you click that, head over to the contact page, submit a form, and click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, head back to your Flows area to cross-check if the form data has been received for future steps. Yes, the data seems to have been captured. Now we need to set what happens when this form is submitted. Our first action is creating a contact in Flowlu. When we click on plus icon to add Flowlu from the list, we notice there is no action to create a contact. But Bitflows currently has this under Create Account. To connect Flowlu with Bitflows, we will now have to connect via authentication connection, for which we will need an API key. For disclosure, I have a paid Flowlu account. Click on your profile image, select Portal Settings. In left menu, click on API and generate a new key. Select the checkbox for the actions you wish to let it perform or let Bitflows access to. I selected Tasks, Projects, and CRM. Here you get a key. Keep it safe. Let's head back to Bitflows. Head back to your website and onto the Bitflows flow. Click on Create Account box of Flowlu. Click on Add New Connection. In the next pop-up, give a name to this connection. Here, add a connection name like Flowlu Connection 1. Copy-paste your domain name URL. I don't think domain URL refers to my website URL. It might be the URL name of your Flowlu subdomain account. Let it be for now. Once that is done, we will need authentication to be done as well to get client ID, client secret. To do that, Head over to your Flowlu account and in left menu of Portal Settings, find OAuth 2. Click on Add button. Give us a name. Add your homepage URL. Here you enter your domain name. Yes, domain name here is your website domain. And in Bitflows, in the domain name, type in the subdomain name. For me, it's OmSmartWeb. When you create an account, you get a subdomain too. In the redirect URI, paste the callback link given by Bitflows and click on Save. Click on this box that we created with the name Bitflows Connection. Here you get your client ID and client secret. Copy-paste these into your Bitflows app. Make sure to copy properly, as secret isn't being copied properly. Click on Save, give account access, and allow it for Bitflows and Flowlu Connection. In account type, select Contact, not Organization. Now map the fields. In the fields, we notice first name, last name as separate names, and our form had full name as field. Instead of changing the form now, I am planning to go ahead with this for now. Start mapping. Leave those fields we do not have data for. Do a test run to check if it works. Test run successfully. Head over to Flowlu to see if we have a contact under CRM. Yes, under all contacts, we have a John Doe. This way we can capture new leads, potential clients, and share data with our team. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and have a nice day.